You are watching Markets for You, a daily videocast that covers markets news and share trading signals from experts. I'm Jessie Wang. First, the US dollar. The dollar rose slightly on a Monday as the risk aversions increased following S&P decisions to downgrade France and other Eurozone countries, but move were muted because of the light holiday trading volume in the US. The greenback ended the day at 1.2648 to the euro and 76.80 to the yen. Next to the euro traded sideways overall despite news that the S&P ratings agency has downgraded France, Austria, Portugal and European Financial Stability Fund. The single currency ended the day at 97.14 to the yen and 0.8262 to the pound. Today, the economic docket today is dominated by the Consumer Price Index and the ZEW Business Sentiment Survey. British pound. The pound has a mixed day, although it rose against the dollar after housing data showed greater than expected house price stability. Sterling ended Monday at 1.5311 to the dollar and 117.76 to the yen. There's a lot of data out today for sterling, with Consumer Price Index highlighting the dockets, with expectations that it will be 4 by 2 basis points. Japanese yen. The yen rose after the S&P downgraded Europe and interventions fear lessons after commentaries from the higher level financiers suggested it was now highly unlikely the authorities would intervene or there would ever be a G7 coordinated strike ever again. The Japanese currency ended the day at 76.80 to the dollar and 97.14 to the euro. And now the section you've been waiting for, Markets Tips. Forex4you in cooperation with Trading Central, one of the leading American financial advisors, provide you daily trading signals from experts of the field. If a pair is euro versus US dollar, our preference is to open long positions above 1.268 with 1.275 and 1.279 inside. The downside breaks after 1.268, which will open the way to 1.2645 and 1.262. If you trade British pounds against US dollar, our preference is to open long positions above 1.5305 with 1.54 and 1.545 inside. The downside breaks after 1.5305, which will open the way to 1.527 and 1.523. If a pair is US dollar versus Japanese yen, our preference is to open short positions below 76.95 with 76.55 and 76.35 as next targets. The upside penetrations of 76.95, which will open the way for rebounds towards 77.05 and 77.25. Good luck and happy tradings. Tune in tomorrow for the latest markets news and trading tips. I'm Jessie Wong and you've been watching Markets for You.